Come around. Well, first of all, I'd like to say sawadee to every one of you. Welcome to the house. And my name is P. And this is my son, Ja. And this is my sister and his girlfriend, Guam. So it's a pleasure to have you all here at our house tonight.
Thank you.
And I'd like to thank you for your visit to our house.
Thank you for the invitation.
Well, the reason we thank you for coming to our house because you're the one who made the house very lively. Because this house they don't open for public. Only get when people come here. So usually we don't have the dinner every day. So the day that we don't have dinner, of course we are not going to have all these lights on. So you imagine after dark, it's very dark. And this house, the land is about 3 acres. So at night it's very quiet, very dark. So with your visit to the house, at least I have few workers who come, temporary workers to come and help me for the day. So we have noise, people talking, and then in the evening I have you guys come. Anyway, since you visit the house tonight, what we are going to give to you is our home style. So, and this is one thing is we want to show you how to make green curry. My son Jack is very good in cooking. So instead of having you guys come here eat and go, we just want to do something for you so that you remember our house. So Jack is good in that, so I will let him do the job. And while he's doing that, I'm going to the kitchen do the cooking. Because your dinner is not cooked yet. So, and anyway, enjoy yourself and then come on talk to you afterwards, okay?
Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
So we are making green vegetarian curry. The most important ingredient to make the curry, of course, the green curry paste. This is green curry paste to make curry. You need to have all these ingredients. Cut into small pieces at the right proportion. Some more, some less. Put them all in here and put them like this. For about 15 to 20 minutes. Or you can use blender for 10 seconds. So now let's go over some of the ingredients to make curry paste. Anyone know what this is?
Galangal.
Galangal. Ginger. What about this one?
Ginger.
Turmeric. Ginger. Galangal. We only use galangal in the curry paste. What about this one? Lemongrass. What about this one? Thai basil. Shallot, garlic. What about this one? Lime. What about this one? Kaffir lime. So they're very similar, they look wrinkled. So lime and kaffir lime. The fruit is not so good, the taste not so good.
But the leaves.
But we use the leaves. We use the leaves. So we julienne cut the leaves. And we use the zest. Only the zest. So if I scratch the skin like this, grab one and pass around. Just grab it. Kind of touch it. There you go. Smells very nice. The oil from the skin came out very nice. There you go. Yeah. Yes. Very good. There you go. Yeah. Smells very nice. So we use Kiso lime in many of the Thai dishes. That's why some of the dishes are very unique in fact. Smells good. It's also mosquito repellent. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Now you tell us.
A lot of vegetables are mosquito repellent. You guys get any mosquito bites? Yes. You know lemongrass, also mosquito repellent. Back in the old days, they get a whole bunch like this. They're tied with something. Hold on to it like this. And when you see mosquito, back then they would kind of break them and throw them around the house. The fragrance from the lemongrass make mosquito goes away. And the most important ingredient.
Chili.
Let me ask you, how many people put the tiny chilies in their miang kham? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, a lot. Usually 5 or 6 each group. Now more than 10. So you guys like spicy? What about the rest? About 10 people not prefer spicy. Okay. Which one do you think is harder, the red or the green? The red. But this is a big one, so they're not spicy. The spicy one.
It's a little guy.
This is Thai chili. This is the most spicy Thai chili that we have. About 600,000 Scoville unit. A little bit less than habanero. So quite spicy because when we cook, we put like the whole bunch.
So that was in the appetizers?
No, in the appetizer was a little bit smaller than this.
Yeah.
So not so
Medium.
spicy. Medium, mild, medium. Spicy?
Very spicy.
It's a relative taste.
I already add canola oil. You can use olive oil, soybean oil, any kind of oil you prefer. Okay, so we will cook the paste for about 1 minute. This might take a little bit of time because usually it's always better to use Chinese wok with high flame. It's a lot better to cook Thai food that way, especially when you try to saute something like vegetable. You want it to be very quick, very hot. Vegetable in, and that's it. So you don't damage the vegetable. But we under the wooden house, so my mom said no flame. No fun. She's afraid I might burn the house down. Actually, I did because when I started cooking 25 years ago. So when I was 10 or 11 years old, I just tried to make omelette, and I burned like the stove and everything. Yeah. So this is the tofu marinated with soy sauce for vegetarian. This could be anything, chicken, beef or pork. I recommend you saute or pre-cook your meat before you put them in. Anyone try cooking Thai food before? Yeah? How did it come out?
Good.
How did the Thai food look? Did it come out like
Yeah. We have a friend that's Thai, and she does classes all the time, so we always sign up.
Now, each home, each family have different ways of cooking, especially curry. Just like when you guys try to cook steak, I'm sure all of you have different ways to cook steak. Same thing like Thai people, we have different ways to make curry. This is our way, this is how our family cooks. And let's see if this is working. Each one of you will receive this package back home, a small gift from us. Inside you have curry paste. This is curry paste, ready-made, so forget about all those. This is ready-made for you. And the recipe on how to make curry. My email and Facebook are on the bottom. If you need more Thai recipe, please let me know. So basically, this is my name card. Don't forget to pick one up before you leave. They're right here. And if you can, if you have time, use the package, cook the way I do now, and send me the photo of your curry. I would be very happy. Send your picture too, so I know who you are. Bamboo shoot, This could be chicken beef. This could be eggplant, zucchini, any local vegetable you like. Fresh coconut milk.
Fresh coconut.
You can use canned coconut milk. But try to make sure you pick the right one because it surprised me. I went to Walmart and on the shelf I saw you have at least 5 or 6 different kinds of coconut. You have coconut juice, you have coconut milk, coconut cream, sweet coconut milk, half and half. You have so many different kinds. Use just 100% coconut milk. One of the great one about, I think last year, I said the same thing. This gentleman sent me the pictures of his curry. The curry was clear. The soup. He used coconut juice. Yeah, coconut juice. Yeah.
Coconut water.
So coconut milk, please. Finish.
But coconut milk is the coconut grated with the coconut water all
Yeah.
in one thing.
Old coconut, aged coconut, break into half and use kind of like a cheese grater. Squeeze in a cheesecloth. That's how you get coconut milk. When the coconut is old enough, once you break the coconut, no more juice. Somehow the juice disappears.
Just like us.
Thai basil, kefir lime leaf, julienne cup. So guys, how spicy do you like your food tonight?
Let's go a 5 out of 10. Some people not like, some people like it, so maybe medium.
Maybe medium?
Yeah.
Thai medium, American medium. Not too much, yeah? Maybe I put the spices on the side. Yeah? So, the spicy one will be this side. And the rest will be mild. Finish. See, I please everyone.
You're a comedian.
That's what beer is for.
And rice.
Unlimited beer. Finish. Looking very nice, the red and the green. Start to boiling now. You don't have to sim this down. This is ready to eat. So, and this is not spicy.
And that's because you cook the meat first. So that's the
Tofu.
Okay, this is
I use this one. This is good for food decorations. Very mild, like bell pepper. Yeah, they decorate. They actually sweet. Yeah. So I'll put this part on a wooden bowl so you can try the vegetarian curry. Your starter, we have noodle soup. My cousin will put all soups into the bowl. Chopstick and spoons are here. We have sugar, we have vinegar and chili, and we have chili powder. You don't have to put anything in yet. Taste your soup. I think they're already good. I will finish up the kitchen and I'll come out with you guys.
Okay.
Thank you. Very good. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Overnight.
So you did